Hi guys, this episode is about remote-controlled fuse for safe distant ignition of some pyrotechnics. I found this remote control switch on AliExpress and think up how to use it for fun. Working range is about 100 meters, it's enough for handmade pyrotechnics and rockets. We need to supply 12 volts of DC here, so when I press the red button, this relay will switch. Fuse itself is nichrome wire, also from AliExpress. I will left all links in the video's description. I will use steel box as body for my device. Let's see the rest of electronics for this project. Here is remote switch. It's supplied by a lithium battery and DC-DC boost-up module. I used this 50-cent module for charge and discharge protection of the battery. Here is power switch button and little LED for indication. It's conveniently to connect fuse by connectors like this. And here is another LED to indicate work. Also, I put third LED for fuse checking. It glows when fuse is connected right way. And now we need just solder all parts together and fix them in a box. Don't forget to set up 12 volts on boost-up module, spinning it counterclockwise. Glowing red LED means that relay is working and we have current from battery on fuse connectors. If your box is metal, you should pull the antenna from it. That's it! I can put the remote control and wires to the box, it's very comfortable. Also, you can assemble this scheme into small plastic box of shoe cleaner sponge. A little test. Great! Also, I put third LED for fuse checking. It glows when fuse is connected right way. Let's blow up something. Remote fuse works nice, and it will help me to not blow up myself with some handmade pyrotechnics and rockets in the next videos. If you like my videos, subscribe and watch more. Goodbye!